to all of the students. Now let's start the methods of preparation of ketone only. What to do there? Methods of preparation of ketones only. So under that number one is here. Under that we are having number one is from the acyl chlorides, from acyl chlorides. Okay, and after that beta, the next one is here. Then number two is here from the nitriles, from nitriles by Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Is that clear? Then after that we are having number three. Okay, number three is here from the benzene, from the benzene. After that number four is here by the Fries rearrangement. Number four I will tell you, just wait. Yes, number four is here by from phenyl Fries rearrangement. Fries rearrangement. Okay, this is it. Now we are going to do it these all one by one. Okay, number one method we are going to do there. Number one, from the acyl chloride, and the student just remember there, we have to prepare only and only ketones. क्या बनाना है हमने? Only and only ketones will be formed over there. Okay, you see please all of you. Let it be, we are using RMgX plus CdCl2, then in the presence of dry ether we are using here 2 moles, and what we are making in the starting, we are making there dialkyl cadmium, then plus 2 mgXCl. We have prepared there what? Dialkyl cadmium. Then this dialkyl cadmium, this one, we are going to do the reaction with RCOCl, then R2CD. Okay, this R2CD, what we have made there, we are giving its reaction with the acid chloride. And what we are going to make over there, beta, here also we have to use the 2 moles, then only we will get what? We will get a ketones, 2RCOR. What we will get there? 2RCOR ketone we are getting over there. Can I rub this one? I think previous reaction you have written there RCOR, and along with the RCOR, but what product is pending over there along with that? Please tell me. Plus CdCl2. Is that clear? So we have prepared the ketones from there. Now student, I am going to take some examples regarding that only. Let it be I am using this one, CH3COCl, 3COCl. I am using there 2 moles of this, and along with that I am using there directly, now I am using CH3 CH2 twice CD in the presence of dry ether. Then what to do there? क्या करेंगे इसमें हम? 2 moles of CH3 CO CH2 CH3, okay, then plus CdCl2. Clear? So this one we are going to form over there. What we have formed? We have formed the ketones. अब बेटा the question might be arises to your mind also कि sir why we have used a Grignard reagent over there, है ना? तो मीन्स हाँ हम सीधा क्यों नहीं, हमने रिएक्शन सीधी क्यों नहीं की? मीन्स वाई वी हैव नॉट गिवन द रिएक्शन लाइक दिस वे, RCOCl प्लस RMgX, सीधी रिएक्शन क्यों नहीं की हमने? वाई वी हैव यूज कैडमियम क्लोराइड ओवर देयर, देन वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड R2CD, then we prepared the ketone. Actually the reason behind it is this one, that Grignard reagent RMgX cannot be used at the place of R2CD. The reason is this one, that what the ketone we are forming by using the Grignard reagent, okay, it will further change to the tertiary alcohol. I will show you how it is changing. You must see, all of you. Let it be. We have used CH3 COCl and we have used a Grignard reagent. Let it be. It is CH3 MgBr. Okay, as we know very well, all of you, that this is negative, this is positive, and this CH3 is always negative. This is positive. Then what is the product over there? But we will get there. CH3 CO CH3, then MgBrCl, side product ketone we have formed. This ketone is further reacted with the CH3 MgBr, and when it is further reacted with the CH3 MgBr, then what is going to be formed there? First of all, there will be a formation of, you know very well, this is a negative, this is a positive. Now there will be a CH3 COMgBr, then CH3, then again CH3, then there is a hydrolysis in the presence of H positive. Okay, then what to do there? क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? There will be formation of, can I rub this one? Yeah, there will be directly formation of tertiary alcohol. What is it? Tertiary alcohol, CH3 OH CH3 plus MgOHCl. This is the tertiary alcohol we have formed over there. Is that clear? But tertiary alcohol बन गया ना. But when we are using this one, dialkyl cadmium R2CD, when we are using, it is less reactive than the Grignard reagent. It is less reactive than the Grignard reagent and has no tendency to react with the ketone. Clear? RMgX was reacting again na, तो RMgX is more reactive, it is less reactive, so it can't react with the ketone once again. So that is why dialkyl cadmium we are using at the place of, for the preparation of ketones, at the place of Grignard reagent. Clear? Okay. Then after that, beta, we are having next method is here, number 2 is here by the from nitriles, from nitriles by the Grignard reagent. Now you must see, all of you, in this reaction what to do there. We can take any example, okay, any nitriles we can take. Suppose I am writing this one, I am taking the aromatic I am taking there. Let it be, this is benzene cyanide or benzonitrile. Here I am taking Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. Everybody is knowing one thing, here is a negative, here it is positive. Then what to do there? Okay, what the product we are getting over there? You must see, all of you must see there what the product we are getting over there in this case. Okay, then in this case we are getting, this is the benzene. Now this CH3, this is the positive, this is the negative, this is the CH3, then double bond N MgBr. Okay, what we have formed there? Double bond N MgBr. Okay, then there is a hydrolysis in the presence of acid. Okay, then what to do there? क्या बनाना है हमने यहाँ पर? You must see, all of you. Benzene CH3 CO. Okay, this one we have formed over there. कैसे बना बेटा जी? Have you understood? बेटा जी, it's very simple. This is, you must see, all of you. CH3 C double bond. This is a C double bond. CH3 C double bond or bond O we have taken, and this is, just wait, I am rubbing this one. I hope you have written, all of you. Yes, you must see, all of you. I am writing this product once again. I am writing this product again. What we have made over there? We have simply made like this benzene ring. Okay, then what I have made over there? Then CH3 C double bond O by the hydrogen, and what is left there? Ammonia NH3 plus MgOH Br. One nitrogen is here, then one MgOH Br we have prepared. Okay, this is called acetophenone. What do you call it? Acetophenone. Clear? Oh, yes or no? Okay, then after that we are having a third method. Third method is here, from the benzene, or substituted benzene by Friedel-Crafts reaction, Okay, this is also called Friedel-Crafts acylation or Friedel-Crafts benzoylation. What do you call it? Friedel-Crafts acylation or it is also called benzoylation. You see, please, all of you. Let it be, this is a benzene ring, and I am using this CH3COCl. We know very well this is a acyl group. So many times we have done this reaction. This is anhydrous AlCl3, and what we are getting over there? COCH3 plus HCl. Okay, same way, students, what we can do, this we have formed there, this is called acetophenone. What we can take at the place of this CH3, we can also write C6H5. What we can write there? We can write C6H5 COCl. Then at the place of this one, this CH3, what we are getting over there? C6H5. Okay, and this is called benzophenone. What is it called? Benzophenone. Is that clear to you to all? Okay, then after that, beta, we are having a next one. Last is there, that from the phenyl esters, from phenyl esters by Fries rearrangement, but a Fry's rearrangement we have done previously also. It's almost same only, same way we have to do there in this case also. It's simple rearrangement. Might be you remember we have done this reaction in the alcohol phenol ether also. OCOCH3 suppose I am writing in the presence of AlCl3 CS2. Simply we have to rearrange. Okay, then here is the OH and there is COCH3. Can be at the ortho or it can be at the para. Okay, you see please all of you. Plus OH and COCH3. Is that clear? This is called Fry's rearrangement. But this Fry's rearrangement we have also done in the case of alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay students, thank you very much. We have completed the preparation of ketones only. Okay, thank you to all of you.